Okay, I am sure that you were able to successfully solve this, but now let's do that together. So first we need to create new file called other.js. Let's create it here in the root of our project. Again, click New File and add new file called other.js. And here in this file I will add console log statement, and here I will print message. Let me go back to index.js. This message: greetings from other.js file. Let me copy it and paste here. Let's add semicolon here and save the file. Of course, nothing will change here at the moment. I need to adjust index.html. I need to add one more script tag, and I will add it here below this one. Script tab, and here I will add src attribute. src equal to double quotes other.js. Let's save, and now you will see two messages here in the console. It means that now those two files, index.js and other.js, are loaded in the HTML file, and both files are located in the same directory as index.html. That's why here you should simply add relative paths to each of the file, like index.js or other.js. But please note that order of those script tags is important here. If I will select this line, press Alt or Option key and press up or down arrow, I will be able to move this part up and down. So let's move it up before index.js file. Let's save this, and now notice that order of those messages was changed. It means that order in which those script files are loaded is important. So first this file is loaded and executed, and only then this file is loaded and executed. That's why I have told you that it is a good practice to add references to external JavaScript files at the end of the HTML file. Don't do that here in the head section, because in this case it will slow down rendering of the HTML page. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this small challenge, and let's go on. And next I'll show you how you can easily execute JavaScript code directly in the console of the browser. See you in the next lecture. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Link to the next video in this section you will find here. Link to the playlist for this section you will find here. If you want to enroll in the full-length JavaScript Bible course, link is now here. See you in the next videos, and I wish you good luck. Bye bye.